Oh, it's gone? No, it's not gone.
They're trying to attack him. Uh-oh. It's going to be a battle. Oh, shit.
All right, look at them big-ass talons.
Hell yeah, he will fuck them up.
He fucked you up with that shit.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, shit.
Damn. It's a bird fight in my front yard, dude.
He's about to fuck up.
If I could have one dream or wish, that's what this would be. Thank God for this.
They're not playing right. I'm sorry.
After he eats this shit,
Oh, damn.
He'll fly out tomorrow. Look at this.
he's really about to fuck them up after
assholes.
he eats this shit.
Yeah, he is so pissed right now. Fuck that fucker.
Here it goes. I want to see round 2, man. Oh, shit.
They're fucking up his feathers like that.
He's like, damn, my fucking feathers. As soon as this motherfucker gets done eating, he's about to tear some assholes.
Yeah, dude. We're gonna see blood all over the street.
Look at them fucking talons. Dude, it's like, it's like a fucking gathering of birds out here. You got
These things are like the size of my finger curled over.
They call them their buddies. Fucking crows. Yeah, dude, it's like that movie, the Alfred Hitchcock movie, Birds. You have to like board up the fucking windows and shit.
Oh my god.
I can't believe there's a cardinal right there.
Like they can't even stop him.
Dude, he just like ignores them. They're like, he's like, dude, don't fucking touch me, I can kill you. And it's like, right. You see these motherfucking talons. It's like a 6-year-old trying to get through some 21-year-olds out of cage. Yeah. Right. Fuck you, kids. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing my thing. Right. Last night I let the party get the best of me. Who's that?